let's discuss this weekly chart of Bitcoin. This is the weekly chart of the Bitcoin. We are seeing a possible rising wedge sa weekly chart. Rising wedge is a bearish pattern if it breaks to the downside. So, ito po, nung last cycle, okay, ito po yung double top last cycle. April 2021, November 2021, okay, we crashed and we broke this trend line January 2022. So, yung massive collapse, okay, after the top, nag-top tayo ng November 2021 and then we broke it January 2022. So, 2 months after the top, nag-breakdown na. Nung time po na yan, meron din tayong bearish divergence. Ano po ba yung bearish divergence? Paakyat po yung price, meaning we're recording higher highs, yan po yun, sa price, but sa RSI, we are recording lower highs. Meaning to say, yung strength ng uptrend niya humihina na. But it doesn't mean, no? Kaya nga sabi natin, kailangan mag-break to the downside. Kasi this pattern can fail. Pwede pong nag-fail ito kung hinataw ulit ito eh. Aso nga lang, nag-break kasi siya to the downside, so nag-pan out yung bearish divergence. So yan po yung last cycle. Ngayon, fast forward tayo. Meron din tayo nakikita ang bearish divergence. Yung price, nag-record ng higher highs. Ayan po. Higher highs. This was the high noong January 2025 and then October, September, October na high. Okay, ito po yun. Tapos may bearish divergence ka. Pero, ang kaibahan po nito, hindi pa to nagbe-break to the downside. Hindi pa po nagbe-break to the downside. Last cycle, after 2 months pa siya bumasag. Pwede ba, Tito, na hindi na natin ituloy yan? Pwede ba dumiretso na tayo? Kasi, a lot of people are saying that this cycle is different, Tito. We'll see. So, ito po, kung hindi yan babasag, pwede ka umakyat lang na umakyat. Yung RSI mo, pababa lang ng baba na ganyan. Hanggat hindi siya bumabasag. But eventually, babasag yan. Eventually. The only question is, when and bago siya bumasag, how high can it go? Maganda po. Kaya this is the beauty of technical analysis. Kasi kahit papano, meron kang guide. Nakikita natin yung resistance na to. So, kung aabot pala tayo ng May 2026, pwede natin abutin 147 or even higher. Kung hindi tayo magko-collapse. Di ba? Kung mag-hold po itong trend line na to, we can probably see 150 Bitcoin next year eh. Again, on the premise na mag-hold ito. But if bumigay po ito, and we confirm, similar to this, yan po, nag-retest po. So we might see Bitcoin na, baba na po ulit. Yan na. Happy na yung mga position trader. So, for now, since this is a weekly chart, I want you to understand, no? Ito po ay weekly chart. So, it will take time, weeks, bago po mag-pan out yan, ha? So, what is important sa chart kasi, meron kang guide. The question is, paano mo gagamitin yung guide mo? Nakikita mo may ganitong possible scenario, okay, sa technical analysis. So, magiging aggressive ba ako? Dito, buy the dip pa rin ba? Tuloy-tuloy ko pa rin itong pagbubudeka? Or, we'll start taking some profit, have some dry powder, diba? Ganyan ba gagawin ko? So ito po, this chart tells us na magplano tayo.